So hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Design. So in this video I want to quickly tell you about masking. Okay, I skipped it along the tutorial, right? So in Figma, masking is a technique that allows you to control the visibility of layers by using another layer as a mask. It reveals specific portions of the mask layer while hiding the rest, similar to how the stencil work. Okay, so um, this is basically what I mean by masking, right? You see this guy, his clothes is masked into the circle, right? We're not revealing. If you see the full image here, this straight edge, you're not showing that in the shape. So let's just get into it. So we have our circle, right? And we have our image. Okay, we just put it on top. Remember, the one you want to mask off, like the one you want to, should be the one overlapping or should be the one on top. Okay, so now what do? We are going to duplicate this image twice, not just once. Now you know we have it now, then duplicate. If you look here, you see it's now 2, and we're going to duplicate the ellipse twice. Yeah, so now we pick the ones in the middle, right? And we come to the right sidebar, which is the properties panel, and we use mask. Okay, it has been done, but the reason why you're not seeing it is because of this image on top. So what you need to do is to crop this image. Okay, yeah, so crop. Then you just take it up a bit, and that's that. Okay, so we have our masking here. You can group everything so that um, they are all in the same group. Okay, so that's that about masking. See you in the next video.